Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechNet Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a label on your Google Keep PC on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a label in your Google Keep on your computer. So to create a label, you have click on this and you have this option called add label. You can just click any note, click on the three dot option, and here you have this option called add label. Click on this, and here if you already having the label, you can just use that. Or if you just need a new label, you just need to type like I just going to type as computer here, and it shows create a label. Click on this plus symbol. So now the label has been created. So you can see the label here on every notes. You can just click on the three dots again, and you can just add the older label. You can just click on the change label and just select the label, and you can just do this. And you can see all the labels from here. On the side, you have these labels on the side, and you can just click on the edit label to edit it. I think this video had you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechNet Unique. Have a wonderful day.